What's
Hey,
up, everybody? Is it rolling? Are we rolling?
Everything's rolling.
We're rolling. Hey, what's up, everybody?
What up, y'all?
It's the Normies, and we're here to watch ReZero, the Director's Cut. Season 1, Episode 6, The Sound of Chains. This is not a market substitute. Please watch this on your own time. We're watching it on Amazon. Check it out. I'm sure it's on multiple streaming stuff. Anyways, the point is watch it on your own time. Then come back and join us for our reactions and reviews. And stay tuned for our discussions after the reaction. If you want to get ahead on these episodes or check out the uncuts or lots of other goodies on our Patreon, check it out there. You can join for free to get updates from us, or you can choose to support us there, and it helps us grow the channel, and we'd love you for it. We can't do any of this without your guys' continued support. Like the video, comment below, share, all that good stuff. And
also, join our Discord. Our ReZero Discord is pretty lit. Go in there, guys. We're pretty up to date and let you guys know what we watched, and you know it's awesome. It's always a vibe in there.
Links in the description.
Go in there, say hi. You know, we also have a spoilers channel that we're not in.
Description.
You can talk to those people about things.
Yes, if you've already seen the show, there's people to talk to. If you're just watching the show, there's people to talk to.
Woo!
Subaru died in the very
after credits.
very essential long after credit scene
Why?
that we could have easily missed.
Easily.
Oh yeah, that was kind of like.
Did we miss anything else?
Incredibly essential.
No, I hope we didn't miss
I
anything
know.
else.
I know we did not miss anything. That's where we're at. So he died again. He's gonna reset. We'll see where he resets. Beatrice, she's the holder of the library of the magical books. The mayor guy. He's the most he's the most powerful magic user.
He's got powerful wand.
And I'm still trying to get used to the names. Who's the girl?
Amelia.
Amelia's next in line.
I really thought that was funny.
What?
I said he had a magical wand.
Oh. Wait, what?
You did not remember when he was dangling his dick?
Oh, okay.
Wow.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
Wow,
I look like a perv.
I remember.
I'm the bigger perv.
Well, you know what? It's about time because it's always the guys getting flack for it. So.
That's true.
True. I told
equality. And now, without further ado. It's real hot in here.
What?
I mean, it's gonna get very cold.
Dude, you don't know how fast it gets cold, bro.
Oh yeah, it's gonna get. By the end of this episode, I'm gonna be freezing.
I'm very comfortable right now, and I'm dreading.
You're like my arm.
Yeah, he was brutally murdered. Somebody gave him the Oberon.
So I have a question.
It's like all kind of like going that's tight.
This show's called ReZero. I know our buddies at Blind Wave there watched a show called Fate Zero. Is there any relation?
Probably not.
Might be, yeah.
I'm just saying.
Maybe he wakes up in like a different, like a parallel timeline or something. You know, like I feel like there's like multiverse theory at play here, or something.
And life in a different world.
And at the beginning of the intro, like he's always got this bag with him, and he was like, it's like he was dead, but he was like kind of coming back to life.
Yeah.
I wonder if this is all just like, maybe whenever he was at that grocery store in the very first shot, maybe he died there, and this is just like.
Where he comes coming back to life from?
You know, the life flashing before his eyes or something. I don't know, like the last like trippy experience he had.
Oh my god, no.
That would be super dark.
No, I don't think that's it at all.
See, look at this, and now it ends the same way.
I don't think it's that.
I don't know, I'm just speculating. What is she doing? She's like,
oh, he was walking around there.
oh, wait, what the hell?
Oh no.
Whoa.
Well,
That should have killed him or hurt him a little bit. You
Yeah,
know?
landed in the bushes. Bushes are soft.
This guy is becoming such a. It's been more than
Literally
3
brown
seconds.
nosing.
Ew. Okay,
So I was just gonna lick him off.
that's better.
Honestly, that'd be kind of fun.
Hey, I don't think he thought it was fun, bro.
Have they never heard her laugh?
We're twins, Ben.
Maybe the Lord is the killer?
Well, third time's a charm. Hopefully something different happens.
俺は情報の出所を説明できねえし、だから今回はこれから4日間、情報収集に徹して襲撃者の正体を暴いてみせる。そのためには褒美は思いのまま。さあ、何でも望みを言いたまえ。
Come on.
A PlayStation 5, please.
としてこの屋敷でくっちゃね放題させてくれ。
Good job this time.
情報収集って何やればいいんだ。とりあえずそれとなくみんなから聞
So they allowed it?
ごめん迷惑かけて。
はい、失礼します、お客様。
話す隙もねえ。
I don't think this one played out that well because he won't be able to get anybody's information. He's gonna be just
he's not doing any of the. He didn't take that walk with the
yeah.
Rem or Ram.
Oh.
何がないのかね。手をずっち脅かすなよ、紛らわしいんだよ。
Rosachi. He can't make any. He doesn't know what to do. He's writing all the notes down. He's lost.
ありがとう。一緒に飲む。
結構です、お客様。
No one wants to hang out with him either.
もっと気安く接してくれても構わないんですけど。
They probably think he's lazy.
初日だし。
Not lazy, they're just like a guess. Why would they talk to him? They're not getting close, like on a different level.
毎日ノックもせずに入ってきて、本当に無礼極まりないやつなのに。吹き飛ばされる前にとっとと消えた方が身のためかしら。
お前に聞きたいことがあるんだよ。相手を衰弱させて眠ったように殺す魔法とかってあったりする。
お前はそれを身をもって知ってるはずなのよ。
まさかお前、あの強引なマナドレインで死ぬ可能性があんのかよ。まさか俺を殺したのお前じゃないだろうな。
残念だけど、忙しい。
あんましのべつ幕なしにチューチューやるなよ。特に俺とか真面目に今は血が足りてねえからあっさり衰弱死するぞ。
ああ、まずは全部戻したけど、血までは戻らなかったかしら。まあ、ペギーもそこまでやってやる義理はないのよ。
So she knows what's happening to him?
Kind of, sort of, I think.
なんか俺の傷口塞いだのはお前みたいな感じに聞こえんだけど。エミリアの手柄横取りとか性格悪いぜ。
あの半端者の小娘に致命傷まで治せる
This girl's such
兄ちゃんと小娘が小康状態にした傷をベティが治してやったのよ。
It's from the first time.
マジ嘘だろ。嘘か。嘘なのか。
Okay, yeah, yeah.
嘘は良くないよ。嘘ダメ全部。
Here we go again.
今日も大丈夫？
Once again, are you all right?
お前のクソ度胸には言葉もねえよ。
Wow.
気安くと最初に言ったのはお客様の方でしょ。だからご要望に応えただけよ。それで勉強は進んでるの？
まあな。これぐらいの動画だったら読めるようになったぜ。
He hung out with the other one last time, right?
微妙な常識観の違いを楽し
When he went for that walk.
Yeah.
まさに異文化の死ぬかし、あるところに赤い鬼と青い鬼が住んでいました。 しく暮らしてください。もし僕がこのまま君と付き合っていると、君も悪い鬼だと思われてしまうかもしれません。どこまでも君の友達、青鬼。おしまい。
悲しいお話だ。
I mean, the company you keep, bro.
登場人物にバカしかいないんじゃないの。
Ooh.
Damn.
お客様は鬼二人のどちらと仲良くしたいと思うの。
鬼二人も。
願うばかりで尻拭いの人任せの赤鬼と、自己犠牲に浸るバカな青鬼と。
Is she talking about her and her twin?
No.
Is there a story behind that, maybe? A meaning?
つまらない答え。
He wants both.
どっちとも仲良くしたいだなんて。お客様は浮気症で優柔不断ね。
Mm.
いくらかするわ。
そういう
You'll regret it one day.
記録してるんですけど、
お客様の故郷のおとぎ話はともかく、こちらのお話で印象に残ったものは。
この魔女の話って。
その話はしたくない。
おい、
長いすぎたわ。お客様、夕食の時にまた呼びに上がります。
So that was kind of crazy. She spent a lot of time with them.
Yeah.
さっきのお
But
話。
he doesn't, she doesn't even know it.
ことだけレムには聞かせないでちょうだい。あ
Don't
の子
tell
嫌が
Rem.
るお話だから。
Ah.
So maybe they're talking about themselves.
怖い魔女、恐ろしい魔女。その名前を呼ぶことすら恐ろしい。誰もが彼女をこう呼んだ。嫉妬の魔女と。
Bro, that's like the fire sign her. Like, that's our witch. Isn't it?
What do you mean?
And we,
勇者を呼んでもらって。
Elsa.
Elsa.
って言っても。
Rem.
スバル。いろいろありがとう。何かあったらいつでも寄ってね。
お、エミリアさん、ありがとう。
He's just leaving her?
He left before he could die on that 4th day, I feel like. And because of the dragon, he's going to go find the dragon now. I think he thinks this is a part of his next quest. Just my predictions, speculations. I mean, he's smart, man. He's figuring out patterns.
He's always got that bag with him.
True.
He's never let that bag go.
特にエミリアの部屋がよく見え
I
る。
wonder what the bag means.
あとはことが起こるのを待ち構え。
It's like the original bag with all those groceries in it, right?
Mm-hmm. Ugh, the way he cut the potato. Jesus.
Oh, nice,
使い
nice.
方して怒られるだろうな。怒られてえな。死にたくねえな。死なせたくねえな。
Super good dude.
はずだぜ、夏木スバル。
So I think he's just going to sit there and post up.
今回はレムの買い出しがなかったな。純粋に俺の食材が浮いたからか。日没までまだあるってのに。集中だ、集中。
Oh no! Oh my god!
He dodged it. He dodged it.
Oh, he's falling! Oh, he's hiding himself. Emergency escape! Oh no, what is your jacket?
He thinks he's a bull.
No!
Damn.
What is it?
Rem?
What?
仕方ありませんね。
A different one.
No,
Wait,
it's
or
her,
is
it's
it
her.
or is it the blue
It's
one?
Rem.
I don't know,
Her
man. We
hair
saw
look-
purple, remember?
Yeah, her hair looked purple. Nah, she's different, bro. She got things in her hair. Who the fuck is this?
It's Rem.
It is Rem.
Yeah, man. It was
Wait,
Rem.
is there after credit? Emma's letting you know. Oh.
No. Now we.
Wow, emergency escape was great.
So that's kind of shitty, bruh.
But we don't know if it's her every time though.
Well,
Because like
I am gonna think it might. Okay, look, Ram and Ram. You know what I mean? So he told that story to Ram, right? The whole blue, whatever the heck story. You know what I mean? I feel like when Ram sat there and said the story to him, hey, don't say this to Ram because I think Ram might like this.
Might not like.
Wait, no. I thought you said might like it. She said might like it.
no, she said might not like. She said she wouldn't like
She said
this.
she would not like it.
Okay. Well, it doesn't matter what the response was. Maybe I heard it wrong, whatever. I think he said that as a warning not to be around her.
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking at it.
But
So
but like the previous day, he went on a walk with her instead. I mean, like.
Bro. I mean, if we go back,
connected, but I don't think.
I don't know. I bet if we go back on a rewatch, man, she's playing some crazy shit. And bro, she was the one that was all up on Roswell and doing Roswell's bidding. Remember? You guys don't remember that a couple episodes ago?
Yeah.
She was the one that was like, kind of like a little under Roswell's spell and like under, whatever Roswell says, she does. Which makes me also go on to the idea that thinking that Roswell might be the one that's trying to kill his ass.
Oh yeah, I mean that's.
Yeah, I don't know if she remembers
Yeah,
what she's doing
I
every
would
day.
definitely think that since
So-
he's like the most powerful magic user.
Yeah. So I think main dude is trying to kill her. And I also think he might not be the best person to be around Amelia. I don't think Amelia should be trusting that dude.
She needs his
Roswell?
endorsement.
Oh, Roswell? Yeah.
Yeah. I feel like Roswell has his own little agenda, obviously, with all this.
I think he's using those girls too. They don't remember what's happening.
Oh, man, he got those girls underneath his fingers, man. They're doing his bidding. But yeah, man, Ram, she is
It looks like Rem, but I don't know if it's her, honestly.
No, I mean,
they just said it was Ram.
but
Maybe he can't recognize her. Maybe.
but I mean, I'm pretty sure it is her because it was probably like wait, hold on. It was probably like the light of the dusk playing on her hair, but her hair did look very purple.
I messed up.
And she also had like things in her hair that neither Rem or Ram had.
No, they both have headbands.
They both had headbands. Okay, I messed up. By the way, Ram was the one that was underneath the bidding of Roswell, so they cannot.
I mean, those names are similar, don't you?
No, it's not. No. You got to think about the hair. Whenever I look at the hair, I always say Ram is the one with.
No, I'm saying like if we end up confusing those names here and there, like come on.
I just know Ram has red hair and Ram has blue hair.
Pink and blue.
Let's just call them Red Ogre Blue.
No, I mean you can't confuse that. But okay, so my whole hypothesis that Roswell behind it is completely null and void because I just completely forgot that it was the other one. Regardless of it all,
I mean, but that doesn't mean that he's still. He would be the most obvious candidate because he's the most powerful magic user in the land. Like, we don't know what that even means.
It just kind of sucks, man. He felt an all sort of trust, and ogre right now is trying to like.
I'm hoping these next few episodes we kind of change location and it kind of picks up a little bit because I'm not gonna lie, it's been a little. I mean, it's been fun. It's been very like the mystery of it all, but we've just been in this like mansion for like 3 days now, just like.
There's been like a lot of lore, right?
Let's move.
Oh yeah. But I mean, I just jump that.
Let's move it along. I'm just getting kind of like location fatigue.
So
Oh yeah, I completely understand you because like we are kind of reliving the same day over and over again.
Yeah.
But regardless of it all, though, like I feel like we're just like kind of like learning what's happening throughout all of this.
I'm ready for a few answers.
I agree with you on
just,
that.
Just give us a little bit and then. The bigger bait, I'm hooked. I like it, but I'm just a little lost in the sauce.
So, another thing that we know now is that Beatrice is the one that can actually heal. She was the one that healed his organs.
Yeah. And Amelia can do like minor healing. She can't do like
you can do the whole entire thing.
So and then she kind of explained mana a little bit too. Like the mana is like your life force itself.
If you take too much of it, eventually you can die from weakness.
So.
Yeah. So I think that eventually they're gonna go to like the northern area of the region where they have the shamans.
Shamans.
It was the shaman that had this. It was spiritual and magic.
Yeah, they're apparently like more powerful than even Roswell. That's what they said, right?
They're on their own like kind of
But
level.
but then she thought they were useless or whatever.
She thinks they're useless, but I think they're on their own level of power because like they obviously went off to do their own thing and like be in touch with like the spiritual levels of it as well.
Bigger at work here.
So, what do you guys think about the story that he said about the ogres?
I'm not gonna lie, I kind of zoned out there.
I don't know.
I zoned out a little bit,
No,
but
it's just about.
I kind of got the gist of it. Obviously, it was a metaphor for Rem and Ram.
That's what I thought too.
Yeah. I mean, they're like their hair. I mean, they're literally red and blue.
Well, I
They
think
also have one eyes covered, so they look like an ogre.
what I caught from it all was like the company you keep really does put out who you are. You know what I mean? And I don't know. I feel like I think Ram might not be as much like her sister. That's what I kind of feel like from that story.
No, we
can we refer to them as their like hair color? Because I'm gonna confuse.
All right, man. Ram, pink.
I'm gonna confuse Ram and just say pink and blue. Like I'm gonna confuse Ram and Ram until I get used to it.
Okay.
And we saw like how one of them is the cleaner and the other one is like the more. I don't want to say useful one, but like more in.
Right.
Yeah, but I feel like in the story they were kind of reversed because the pink one seems to be like doing all the sacrifice for the blue one because she could be doing the whole job by herself, but she still has her around.
Yeah.
So she feels useful.
That's
but in
true.
the story, the blue one was the one who sacrificed his life for the pink one.
So the pink one can be more useful around humans.
So I don't know. It was like I understood the metaphor. Like obviously he was indirectly talking about their relationship, but I felt like it was reversed for some reason.
Maybe the other one gave up something for the other one, and we just don't know the story yet. So she's trying to repay her every day by working for Ra as well, like that.
Aesthetically, I really like when they were showing the sky and like the windows, like how they drew the dusk. Like I really like what they do with their colors and their backdrops. Like they do a really good job with the animation.
So the dragon, do you guys think it's Elsa? Because there's like a little fire mark in the dragon, just like Elsa.
Yeah,
I feel like it's Elsa.
But the dragon's supposed to be good. It's supposed to like be protecting the city.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah. Well, maybe this dragon.
I think Elsa is the evil thing that they were talking about. I forget. Spacing.
Maybe she's controlling the dragon, like right now and like straying him away from his mission.
What wasn't Elsa also from like a group or something?
Yeah.
Like somebody sent her.
Yeah.
Right. So.
I feel like the dragon is badly involved with the story somehow. I don't know why.
There's a lot of moving pieces. I'm not.
Right now we're kind of we're guessing.
I'm very lost in the sauce.
So like, if he did become like house guest, he probably would have been able to like find out more information and stuff. But this is the way he didn't die as well. Like instead of being like being a house guest, instead of like being a servant there. Like the girls obviously didn't talk to him, get as close, but he still escaped with his life in a way.
Right.
Well, we'll see. I mean, he's still in the middle of the fight.
Yeah.
I'm excited to watch more.
He did.
I love Puck and Subaru, by the way.
He didn't die this time.
They made Amelia Todd
He's
laugh.
about to die.
Well, I mean, this is the first time he hasn't died at the end of an episode, right? Has he died for every single one so far?
I'm gonna say every single one, no, because
no, because he got that stomach thing and then he woke up with the mansion.
Yeah.
But like for most of them.
Yeah,
so
no,
but he hasn't like fully made it like. Well, I guess he got a cut.
I know he's gonna remember this as well. Like, even if he dies or doesn't die, this is gonna be remembered.
Oh,
now.
this will be interesting now because like if he does die, then he's gonna be like, she's bad, and they're gonna be like,
no one's gonna believe him. Though.
What are you talking about?
Yeah.
She's just our servant. Like,
it'll be good. I'll be keeping my eye on her all day, and the next time I wake up.
All right. Well. Let us know what you thought and join us in the comments. We'll be down there conversing with you guys, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching, and a big shout out to Explorin', Nick, Ruby, Aaron, Michael, Joe Mags, Tacos, Flower House, Keyboard Junkie, NYR Fan, and ZJP. Thanks guys.